Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a Vietnamese restaurant in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the restaurant staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How many hours does the broth cook for at Mai's restaurant? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
This is the place. It smells so good already.
It really does. I can smell the herbs from here.
I have never had pho before. My friend told me about it a long time ago.
Really? You have never tried it?
No, never. He said the soup is amazing. I have wanted to try it for months.
Well, today is the day.
I hope it is as good as he said.
Look at the window. There's a line of people inside.
That's a good sign. Busy places usually have great food.
I agree. And look, they have a small garden by the door.
Yeah, those are herb plants. I think that's basil.
It smells amazing. I love strong flavors.
You always add hot sauce to everything, don't you?
Yes, I do. I put hot sauce on almost every meal.
Even breakfast?
Especially breakfast. I like my food spicy.
I remember that from the taco place last month.
You mean when I used the whole bottle?
Yes, exactly that. The server looked worried.
I just really like it.
Well, I'm sure this place has hot sauce for you too.
Perfect. I'm ready to add it to everything.
My friend said the broth takes a long time to make.
That makes sense. Good soup always takes time.
He also said the line moves fast, even when it looks long.
Good, because I really don't want to wait too long.
Look, 3 people just walked out. The line's already shorter.
Perfect timing. I can't wait to finally try it.
My friend said I should try the beef pho first.
Then let's do that. We can try other things next time.
Slow down. We haven't even tasted it yet.
I have a good feeling about this place.
Me too. Look how many people are smiling when they leave.
That's a really good sign.
Let's go inside. I'm getting hungry just standing here.
Me too. The smell is making me hungry.
Welcome. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time. Everything smells wonderful.
Thank you. What can I get for you today?
I want to try the pho. What do you suggest?
Our beef pho is the most popular dish here.
What kind of beef do you use?
We have 2 kinds. One is rare and one is well done.
What's the difference?
The rare beef is thin and cooks in the hot soup. The other beef is already cooked.
That's interesting. Can I get both kinds together?
Of course, many people like a mix of both.
Great, I'll try that. What about the noodles?
We use rice noodles. They are soft and thin.
Sounds good. What makes the broth taste so good?
We cook the bones slowly for 12 hours. That's our secret.
12 hours? That's a really long time.
Yes, it is. We start early in the morning before we open.
Wow. What do you put in the broth besides bones?
We add onion, ginger, and a few special spices.
Now I know why it smells so good in here.
Thank you. People often say that.
Is the soup spicy?
Not by itself. You can add spice later if you want.
Good, because my friend loves spicy food.
Then she will enjoy the hot sauce on the table.
Yes, she will. I'll take the beef pho, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink?
Just water for both of us, please.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your first bowl of pho.
I have a good feeling about this.
Cooking it slowly gives it a good taste.
I believe you. Do you make the broth here every single day?
Yes, every day. We never use yesterday's broth for today's bowls.
That's a lot of work every morning.
It is, but it's worth it. Fresh broth always tastes better.
I can already smell how good it is.
Wait until you taste it. That's the best part.
I'm sure it will be worth the wait.
Would you like any extra vegetables in your bowl?
What do you have?
We have onions and green onions. Some people like extra of both.
Sure, please add some. That sounds great.
No problem. I'll bring your bowl out soon.
Thank you again for telling me all this.
Here is a small plate for your table.
Oh, wow. What is all this?
These are fresh herbs. This is basil, and these are bean sprouts.
And this green one, is that a chili pepper?
Yes, that's a chili pepper. This is a piece of lime, too.
What do I do with all of this?
You add them to your bowl. It's up to you.
Do I put all of this in the soup?
You can. Everyone makes their bowl a little different.
That's a fun idea. I like choosing my own flavors.
Most people add a few basil leaves and some bean sprouts first.
And the lime?
A little lime juice makes the broth taste fresh.
What about the chili pepper?
That's for people who like spicy food. You can add a lot or a little.
Yes, I want a lot. I love spicy food.
Then you will enjoy that pepper.
This is like building my own bowl.
Exactly. That's how we like to think about it here.
I've never seen herbs served like this before.
It's a common way to serve pho. Every table gets a plate like this.
I love that. It feels like I'm making the dish my own.
That's the idea. Everyone's bowl looks a little different when it is ready.
This is going to be so much fun.
Your food will be out in just a minute.
Thank you. I can't wait to try everything.
Do you want extra chili peppers? Some guests ask for more.
Yes, please. I always want more spice.
I thought you might say that.
How do most people eat their pho here?
Many people mix the herbs in first, then add lime and pepper.
That sounds like a good order to follow.
You can also add a little hoisin sauce, a sweet sauce, if you like sweet flavors.
I might try that too. I like trying everything.
That's the best way to enjoy your first bowl. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Thank you so much.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is broth, meaning a kind of soup made by cooking bones or meat in water. For example, the broth smelled amazing before we even tasted it. The second word is noodles, meaning long, thin strips of food made from flour. For example, the noodles in the pho were soft and thin. The third word is herbs, meaning green plants used to add flavor to food. For example, we added fresh herbs to our bowl of soup. The fourth word is simmer, meaning To cook food slowly over low heat. For example, Mai lets the broth simmer for 12 hours. The fifth word is spicy, meaning food that has a hot, strong taste. For example, Lily always wants her food very spicy. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at their table.
This looks amazing. Look at all those noodles.
It smells even better up close.
Let's try it. I've been waiting for this for months.
Go ahead, take the first bite.
Okay, here I go.
How is it?
Wow, the noodles are so soft.
What about the soup?
It's warm and light, not too heavy at all.
I expected it to be stronger.
Me too, but it's warm, not too strong.
Let me try some.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's really nice. The broth tastes clean.
Right? You can taste the ginger a little.
I love these noodles too. They're so nice and soft.
I could eat this every day.
I'm going to add my herbs now.
Of course you are.
And some chili pepper too.
How much are you adding?
All of it. I told you I love spicy food.
That's a lot of pepper for one bowl.
I like it strong. Try some noodles with the basil.
That's a great idea. The basil adds a nice smell.
This soup is full of flavor now.
Is it too spicy for you?
Not at all. It's perfect for me.
I'll spay with a little spice, thank you.
More for me then.
This might be my new favorite food.
I completely understand why your friend loves this place.
I'm so glad we finally came here.
Me too. This was a great choice.
Try the noodles with a little lime juice.
Oh, that's a great idea. Let me try that.
What do you think?
Wow, the lime makes everything taste brighter.
Right? It's a small thing, but it changes a lot.
I want to add some bean sprouts too.
Good idea. They add a nice crunch.
This bowl has so many good things in it.
Soft noodles, fresh sprouts, and fresh herbs.
I love trying a new food like this.
I never thought soup could be this exciting.
Me neither. I want to learn to make this at home.
We should ask Mai for some tips before we leave.
That's a great idea. Let's finish eating first, though.
Okay, this soup is so good. Let's eat before it gets cold.
Hi again. How is everything?
It's delicious. Really, this is better than I thought it would be.
I'm so happy to hear that. Is this really your first time?
Yes, my very first bowl of pho.
What do you think so far?
The broth is amazing. I can really taste the 12 hours of work.
That makes me so happy. That's exactly what we hope people notice.
The noodles are perfect too. So soft and light.
Thank you. We're glad you're both enjoying it.
My friend really loves the hot sauce. Look at her bowl.
I can see that. Her bowl looks very spicy.
She always adds a lot of sauce to her food.
Can I share a little tip with you?
Sure, please.
In my family, we always taste the soup first before we add sauce.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, it shows we care about the person who made it.
That makes sense. The broth takes so much time to make.
Exactly. The soup cooks for 12 hours, so we always taste it first.
I never thought about it that way before.
Most visitors don't. It's a small thing, but it means a lot to us.
I'll remember that for next time, too.
That would make me very happy to hear.
I'll tell her that. I think she'll just laugh about it.
Don't worry. It's very common here. Many visitors do the same thing.
Still, that's a really kind way to think about it.
We just believe the broth should be tasted first, then made spicy.
I like that idea. It shows care for the person who cooked.
That's exactly right.
Can I ask you something else, Mai?
Of course, ask me anything.
How do you know so much about the broth and the herbs?
My mother taught me. She opened this restaurant many years ago.
That's wonderful. It must feel special to keep cooking her recipe.
It does. every bowl reminds me of her.
That makes the food taste even better.
I think so too. Food made with love always tastes different.
Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you both for coming to try it.
Thank you so much, Mai.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you so much.
That was such a good meal.
It really was. I'm already thinking about coming back.
Me too. My friend was right about this place.
I still feel a little bad about the hot sauce thing.
Don't worry about it. Mai wasn't upset at all.
I know, but it was a good lesson.
What lesson is that?
From now on, I'm going to taste the broth first.
Really? No more full bottle of hot sauce?
Just a little at first. Then I can add more if I want.
That's great. That's a big change for you.
Don't laugh. I'm trying to be nice about it.
I'm not laughing. Okay, maybe a little.
You're never going to stop talking about this, are you?
No, I don't think so. It was pretty funny.
Fine, keep joking about it. I still loved this meal.
Me too. The broth was worth the wait.
All that work really does make a difference.
I could taste it in every bite.
I already paid the bill while you were looking at the herbs by the door.
You did? Thank you. How much was it?
$20 for both bowls. That's a great price.
That really is, for how much food we got.
I'm still thinking about the broth. All that time really shows in one bowl.
I know. I will always remember this now.
This might be my new favorite restaurant in the city.
Should we bring your sister here next time?
Yes, she would love this place too.
We can tell her about the herbs in the hot sauce lesson.
Please don't tell that story to everyone we know.
Too late. I already have a good story for dinner tonight.
Fine, but I get to tell the story about you and spicy tacos.
That's fair. We both learned something today.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Anytime. I'm just happy we finally tried it together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How many hours does the broth cook for at Mai's restaurant? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!